Emna, I just discovered a horrifying truth about adult life.
Wait, what kind of truth is that? It sounds so serious.
We adults spend 90% of our time frantically trying to remember where we just left our stuff.
Totally. Yesterday I spent 10 minutes looking for my phone, while it was right in my hand the whole time.
That's not even as bad as mine.
How come? Tell me.
I was looking for my glasses while they were sitting right on top of my head.
Oh my god, I thought that only happened in cartoons.
Nope, real life is even more dramatic. Once I asked my mom, "Mom, have you seen the TV remote?"
And then what?
My mom just silently pointed at my hand.
No way.
And at that moment, I was still switching channels like nothing was happening.
Your brain must be in superpower saving mode.
No, it's running on system update but crashed mode completely.
So does your morning ever turn into total chaos?
My mornings are straight up Hollywood action movies.
What kind of action?
The kind where I run around the house looking for my motorbike keys.
I bet they're right in front of you, or in your jacket pocket, or backpack, right?
Nope, not any of those places.
So, where were they?
In the front door lock.
Haha, oh my god!
And it took me a full 15 minutes to realize that brutal truth.
You're a master at creating drama for yourself.
But wait, there's more.
What else?
The other day, I decided to live healthier.
Working out? That sounds pro.
Exactly.
Awesome. So, what happened next?
I opened a 10-minute workout video.
Sounds solid.
Just 2 minutes later, I already felt tired.
And
I decided to take a little break.
how long?
3 hours.
That's not a break, that's full surrender.
No, it's a genius energy conservation for later strategy.
Later when?
Later, next week?
I've fallen into that trap too.
Really? Tell me.
I bought a yoga mat.
And did you use it?
Of course,
How many times?
just once.
That's it?
Then I discovered the yoga mat is perfect for lying down and watching movies.
I love how creative you are at repurposing things.
Have you ever tried to clean your room?
Sure. But the results are always weird.
Weird, how?
Every time I clean, I find toys from 2008.
I know that feeling.
But instead of continuing to clean,
What do you do?
I sit down and relive old memories.
And the room stays messy.
Exactly.
I think cleaning your room is the sneakiest trap on the planet.
How so?
You start cleaning your desk,
Yeah,
then you find an old notebook,
right.
then you read it,
Exactly.
then you remember an old song,
Spot on.
then you open YouTube to listen.
And 2 hours later, I'm watching 10 Ways to Keep Goldfish Happy.
The internet is a total time black hole.
But the scariest part, you know what it is?
What?
When I open the fridge,
And,
I just stand there staring for 2 minutes.
and,
I have no idea what I want to eat.
that's the deep philosophical moment of life.
Exactly.
What is life?
Who am I?
And is there still instant noodles in the fridge?
The most important question in the universe.
But usually the fridge is packed with food.
True.
Yet we still say the legendary line.
There's nothing to eat.
Haha, classic.
Adults are so weird.
No. Adults are just kids who have to pay the bills.
That's way too accurate.
Oh, speaking of which,
What?
yesterday I tried cooking.
How did it go? Sounds dangerous already.
The kitchen is still intact.
Meaning?
The food? Not so much.
Now I'm worried.
I was just trying to fry an egg, super simple.
Sounds easy.
But the oil splattered everywhere like fireworks.
Because you turned the heat way too high, right?
I panicked, so
What?
I ran out of the kitchen.
Leaving the pan behind?
Yep,
And the egg?
it evolved into charcoal.
A very artistic dish.
I call it universe-style grilled egg.
Why universe?
Because it's black like a space black hole.
I'm dying. That's actually perfect.
In the end, you know what I did?
Ordered delivery?
Exactly. Technology saved humanity and my kitchen.
Enough about daily life. Now for the really painful topic.
Studying?
Bingo. This week, my brain feels brutally tortured.
You studied too much?
No, I plan to study a lot.
Ah, got it.
My plan at the start of the week was epic.
Like what?
Monday, study 3 hours. Tuesday, review 2 hours. Wednesday, finish all homework.
You sounded like the perfect student.
But in reality,
What?
Monday, opened the book, then dozed off.
I'm dying. That's so relatable.
Tuesday, opened the laptop, then watched random videos.
And Wednesday?
Wednesday, full panic mode.
That's the classic student learning process.
I don't even know why anymore.
Why?
When there's no deadline, I'm super chill.
But when the deadline hits?
I turn into a superhero.
Exactly. The night before deadline, everyone becomes a genius.
Once I did homework at 2 a.m.
I've done that too.
My brain was working like a high-end computer.
But the next morning,
It turned into a 2003 antique computer.
perfect description.
My teacher even asked a question that made the whole class go silent.
What did he ask?
Did you guys study before coming to class?
And
The whole class looked at each other like we were playing mind reading.
no one answered?
One friend was really brave.
What did they say?
They said, we plan to study.
The most honest answer in education history.
My teacher just sighed in despair.
He's probably used to it.
But the funniest thing this week was the presentation.
You had to present?
Yep,
Did you prepare well?
super thoroughly.
I smell danger.
I practiced in front of the mirror 3 times in a row.
Good job.
But when I got up in class,
What?
I forgot to open the slideshow.
No way.
I stood there in front of the class for 5 painfully long seconds.
Silence?
Dead silence like a graveyard.
That must have been terrifying.
I looked at the screen and said the legendary line.
What did you say?
This part is still loading.
Then what?
But the computer wasn't loading anything.
So then?
I started smashing random keys.
Did you finally open it?
No.
Oh no.
In the end, I presented purely from short-term memory.
I admire that courage.
It wasn't courage.
Then what was it?
Advanced level panic.
But I bet it was still okay.
Yeah, the teacher said something really deep.
What?
Your presentation was very creative.
What does that mean?
It means he'd never seen anyone present like that before.
That's hilarious.
How about your week studying?
I also have an interesting story.
This sounds dangerous.
This week I decided to study in a group,
Great idea.
but there were 4 of us.
Yeah.
First 10 minutes, super focused.
Then?
20 minutes later, random chatting.
And after that?
40 minutes later, deciding what to eat.
Nice.
And 1 hour later,
What?
the whole group was laughing at memes.
Group study is pure magic.
In the end, we decided,
To study again?
nope,
Then?
just go eat.
A delicious and logical ending.
But I realized something important.
What?
Group study doesn't help you learn better.
Then what does it help with?
It makes everything way more fun.
I completely agree.
Oh, and one more thing.
What?
Have you ever read a paragraph 3 times and still not understood it?
Of course.
It feels like the letters are staring back at you.
Exactly.
And they ask, why are you reading if you don't understand anything?
I once read one paragraph 5 times in a row.
And did you get it?
Nope. Nope.
So, what did you do?
I Nodded like crazy.
Nodded?
To convince myself that I understood.
Advanced psychological tactic.
But when the test came,
The harsh truth appeared.
and it hurt,
Haha, exactly!
but I think everyone's been through it.
Studying sometimes feels like a survival game.
Surviving deadlines, homework, and sudden sleep attacks.
And coffee as the savior.
Coffee is the most loyal ally.
Without coffee, I'd probably fall asleep in class.
Have you ever almost dozed off?
Not almost.
Meaning?
I actually fell asleep.
In front of the teacher?
Yep.
Then what?
I woke up because the whole class was staring at me.
What did the teacher say?
He said, "Emna, was your dream related to the lesson?"
Brilliant.
I just smiled awkwardly.
This study week was full of unforgettable memories.
But the weekend is different.
Weekend is recharge time.
And relaxed coffee time.
And telling silly stories like this.
That's what makes life fun.
True. At least we survived the week.
And that's already a huge victory.
Finally, the weekend is here.
I swear this week felt like a 4-0 episode drama series.
But luckily, we're sitting here now.
Weekend coffee shops are the perfect soul-healing spots.
And they cure accumulated sleepiness too.
Have you noticed something interesting?
What?
People at coffee shops usually do 3 main things.
Which are?
Drink coffee, stare at their phones, and ponder the ups and downs of life.
So true.
I just saw a guy sit for 20 minutes, just staring at his coffee.
Maybe he was having deep philosophical thoughts.
Or he forgot the Wi-Fi password.
The second one is way more likely.
Speaking of which, I always have this weird problem.
What?
Every time I come to a cafe, I plan to work seriously.
And
First 10 minutes, I open my laptop like a total professional.
looking super focused.
But 15 minutes later,
What?
I'm watching cute kitten videos.
Kitten videos have magical pulling power.
You too?
Not just kittens.
Then what else?
Puppy videos, duck videos, and even midnight cooking videos.
I don't get why watching other people cook is so entertaining.
Because you don't have to wash the dishes afterward.
That reason is way too logical.
But the internet is the strangest place on earth.
How so?
Yesterday, I wanted to search effective study tips.
What happened?
An hour later, I was watching Why Penguins Can't Fly.
That's quite an expanded knowledge journey,
Multidisciplinary knowledge.
but completely unrelated.
Exactly.
I also have a weird habit.
How weird.
Every time I'm about to sleep,
Yeah?
my brain suddenly remembers all the embarrassing moments from the distant past.
Haha. Same here.
Example?
Once I waved at someone.
Then what?
Turns out they were waving at the person behind me.
That moment hurts.
I pretended to fix my hair,
Classic save yourself move.
but nobody bought it.
Mine was even worse.
How?
I laughed really loud, thinking someone was telling a funny joke.
But they weren't?
Nope.
So what were they talking about?
Something super serious.
Oh no.
I only realized the whole room was staring at me after I laughed.
What did you do?
I pretended to cough violently.
Cough to cover the laugh?
Yep.
Your brain reacts fast.
But those memories always come back at 1 a.m.
Exactly. During the day, the brain is calm.
But at night, it becomes a professional director of embarrassment films,
Replaying every scene.
with full sound effects.
I'm dying, yes.
But do you ever imagine ridiculous situations?
All the time.
Like what?
What if one day,
Yeah?
everyone just told the truth all the time?
Society would collapse.
For example, at a cafe.
The waiter asks, "How's the food?"
And the customer answers, Honestly, I only ordered it because it looked pretty.
Ha ha, true.
Or, when someone asks, "Are you busy?"
The real answer would be,
Not busy, I'm just lazy.
if that happened, the world would be hilarious and real.
But also extremely dangerous.
Because no more polite small talk.
Exactly.
But I think life sometimes needs silly moments like that.
To reduce stress and boredom.
Like this conversation right now.
Two people at a cafe, talking about everything under the sun.
From lost keys
To unfinished homework.
and penguins that can't fly.
A very important and fascinating topic.
You know, what's the funniest part?
What?
Conversations like this that mean nothing
Yeah,
are actually the most fun moments in life.
I agree.
No detailed plans needed.
No big goals.
Just good coffee.
And a friend to chat with.
Exactly.
But I have one last question.
Go ahead.
If we meet here again next week,
Yeah?
what do you think we'll talk about?
Maybe studying again.
Or falling asleep in class?
Or another epic cooking failure.
Or some brand new silly thing?
But one thing will definitely be the same.
What?
We'll still be laughing our heads off.
And still drinking coffee.
And still talking about random stuff.
But that's exactly what makes the perfect weekend.
Hey, true.
Alright, finish your coffee.
Then go home?
No,
Then what?
let's start thinking about what we'll complain about next week.
Haha, good idea.
Prepping content in advance.
True content creators.
Exactly.
But I think
What?
life itself is already a comedy movie.
And we're just narrating it.
Exactly.
So,
See you next week?
see you next week?